Thank you very much. And the race on, dreaming again from the outside. Soul provider Harrods Magic. Moving up is Power, Negotiator, New Golden City, Himless. Rushing up, Super Elegant, Onika Champ, Shogun. And Royal Heiress is the early trailer. Soul Provider, followed by Harrods Magic, Power. Negotiator is racing in third by about 2 lengths alongside Dreaming Again, Shogun. And on the outside is New Golden City. Rounding the far turn, Harrods Magic by an X-All provided on the inside. Power, Negotiator, Dreaming Again, Shogun, New Golden City, Onika Champ as they race the final corner. Soul Provider once again by Darrell, and on the outside is Power, Negotiator, Shogun. It's now Power, Negotiator, Soul Provider down on the inside. Entering the finish line, number 2, Power, Negotiator by about 3 lengths. And finally, Power, Negotiator, Onika Champ, New Golden City, Soul Provider, Royal Heiress.
Okay, 26913.